Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shehab Abbarah. I am from grade 7B. My project is about diffusion. Diffusion happens in liquids and gases because their particles move randomly from place to place. It is how substances move in and out of cells. Diffusion is the movement of a substance from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. Diffusion is important to cells because it allows them to gain the useful substances they require to obtain energy and grow, and lets them get rid of waste products. Diffusion of oxygen into a cell. The concentration of oxygen molecules is greater outside the cell than inside, so the oxygen molecules diffuse into the cell.